She got it.
Girl. Drop.
Sometimes you have to go and check your hives. Here's a hobbit hive. We haven't been getting a lot of scout traffic. Oh, that's why. Oh, carpenter ant convention. Bunch of queens in here. So I got to get these out. And you see the queen right there running away. There you got multiple queens. Maybe some drones as well. Ants with wings. Drones are queens. Alright, well, I'm going to get to work, get the smoker lit up, and see if I can chase them out of here. If not, I'll have to manually remove them. Well, the smoker worked pretty well. Get out all the queens and the drones. Still got a bunch of these little worker bees. I think now that they don't have their queens in here, they're going to start leaving, but I'm going to sweep some of them out with the bee brush until I've just got a few. And we'll see. I'll have to check on this again in a few days if I don't see a lot of bee activity. What I actually meant to do before I realized I had caught carpenter ant colony instead of bees is rebait these. So I'm sticking in another tube, fresh tube of some lemongrass oil, and then also I got a bag of propolis. I'm going to put some of this in here this time. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Maybe tell the bees, hey, this is an old beehive. You should move in and get rid of these ants. Anyways, I'm pretty sure these ants are going to move on now that the queens aren't here anymore, creating their pheromones. And we'll see if we can get some bees to move in and become the permanent residents. Can't do much with carpenter ants.
In our observation of this swarm trap, we noticed 2 different colonies of bees vying for territory. We also noticed more of the black carpenter ants, and we didn't catch on film, but we caught some of the bees tossing the ants out. So we don't have a swarm yet, but I think we're going to in the next few days.